Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a rotated pelvis. So if you ever notice that your hip is higher on one side or one part of the leg is kind of rotated forward, you may be suffering from a rotated pelvis. The other indication you may have a rotated pelvis is you may have sacroiliac joint pain. And what that is, those are the two little bumps you feel in your lower back. And sometimes if the pelvis is rotated out of position, it'll put a lot of pressure at the sacroiliac joint. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a simple exercise you can do at home to help fix that rotated pelvis. To fix that rotated pelvis, what we're going to do is we're going to have you lay on your back. Then we're going to bring your legs up to 90 degrees, okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to kind of resist a bicycle motion. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to bring your leg up and bring your leg down. And what we want to do is we want to use our hands to resist that motion. So what we're going to do with this hand is we're going to put it behind our knees, and we're going to resist kind of bringing your leg down in this direction. And next one, we're going to resist going up in this direction. So what Renee's going to do is she's going to contract against her hands. She's not going to allow her legs to move, and she wants to do this contraction for 5 seconds. So go ahead and do that contraction. Good. She's resisting on both sides. Now we want to repeat that exercise and switch it up with our hands. So we're going to go push into that hand and try to bring this leg down and hold for 5 seconds. Good, and you can relax. So we want to do that 5 times, and we're going to do back and forth 5 times on each side. The next thing we want to do is we want to bring our legs up again into that 90-90 position there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our fists together. We're going to put that between our knees. And what we want to do is we want to try to contract up against our hands like that. But again, don't allow the legs to move. So we want to just resist that and hold for 5 seconds and relax, okay? Next thing we want to do in this position is we're going to start with our legs in that 90-degree angle, and she's going to put her hands on her outside of her knees, and she's going to resist pushing out with her legs like that. Good, and hold for 5 seconds and relax, and you can relax there. You want to do those exercises 5 times, pushing in and pushing out against your pelvis there. And what will happen is that will help to rotate the pelvis into the correct position just by using that contract, relax exercise there. You sometimes will hear an audible release either in your pelvis or in the SI joints. That's completely normal, and a lot of times it will provide a relief if it is off quite a bit like that. If your pelvis is still rotated or you're having sacroiliac joint pain, give our office a call at 703-912-7822.